Before buying an ultrasonic pest repeller, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Hakone Ultrasonic Repeller. First up is the Hakone Upgraded Ultrasonic Repeller. Priced at $38.04, this multi-pack caught my eye because of its promise to cover a range of pests like roaches, mice, and even mosquitoes. If you want a more eco-friendly way to tackle your pest problem, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product stand out is its advanced ultrasonic technology. This means it can effectively target a variety of pests, disrupting their nervous systems and driving them away. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It offers an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals and traps, so you can protect your family while keeping your home pest-free. Now, some people complained about the time it takes to see results, noting it can take 1 to 2 weeks to notice a difference. Here's the thing though, if you're tired of dealing with harmful poisons and just want a safe way to keep pests at bay, this long-term approach is worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a safe, chemical-free solution for pest control in your home. But skip this one if you need immediate results, as it's more of a long-term investment for pest management. Now, if the wait time for results concerns you, the next one might actually be even better for quicker solutions. Product number 2, IDU Ultrasonic Pest Repeller. Next, let's talk about the IDU Ultrasonic Pest Repeller, which is a steal at just $13.99. This one really grabbed my attention because it's incredibly affordable and still promises to handle multiple pests. If you're on a budget but need something effective, this is worth considering. The IDU model uses high-frequency sound waves to interfere with the nervous systems of pests, making it effective against not just mice, but also roaches and even mosquitoes. It covers a wide area of up to 1,200 square feet, which is perfect for medium-sized rooms. Here's why this matters for you. You can plug it in and forget about it, getting rid of pests without the hassle of sprays or traps. However, a few customers mentioned that they didn't notice immediate results, which is a common issue with ultrasonic devices. But if you're patient and willing to give it some time, this is a low-maintenance option that can deliver a pest-free environment. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, no-fuss pest solution on a budget. But skip this one if you're looking for something that works instantly, as it may take a little while to kick in. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list has some advanced features that could be a game changer for your home. Product number 3, Invading Upgraded Ultrasonic Repeller. Now let's check out the Invading Upgraded Ultrasonic Pest Repeller, priced at $63.41. I was drawn to this product because of its multiple modes which can target a variety of pests effectively. If you want a more tailored approach to pest control, this is worth a serious look. For instance, the blue mode targets mosquitoes, while the red mode is for heavy infestations. This is great because you can customize its use based on what's bugging you. Here's why this matters. It maximizes effectiveness depending on your specific pest problem, leading to faster results. That said, some users reported that the red mode can be uncomfortable for pets and humans, which may be a deal breaker if you have them at home. But here's my take. If you're planning to be out of the house while using it, the targeted approach is worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a customizable pest repeller with a wide coverage area, but skip this one if you have pets or kids who will be around while it's in use. Now, if you're looking for a more straightforward option without any extra bells and whistles, the final product might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Invading Basic Ultrasonic Repeller. Finally, we have another option from Invading, a basic ultrasonic pest repeller for $15.99. What caught my attention is its simplicity and effectiveness across a range of pests. If you want something easy to use and effective without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. This basic model covers up to 1,200 square feet and is perfect for all common household pests. This is great for those who want a no-fuss solution to their pest problems without dealing with complicated settings. Here's why this matters for you. It's a straightforward way to keep your home pest-free without worrying about harsh chemicals. However, some reviews pointed out that it doesn't have the advanced features of more expensive models like multiple frequency options. But honestly, if you just want something simple that works, this might be the best choice for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a hassle-free, no-frills pest repeller that gets the job done. But skip this if you want more advanced features for targeted pest control. So, whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, eco-friendly, or high-tech, there's an ultrasonic pest repeller here for everyone. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Hakone for eco-friendly options, the IDU for budget-friendly needs, the C-Vitane upgraded model for multi-targeting, and the basic C-Vitane for simplicity. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your needs best. Remember, a pest-free home doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag.